Coming to the rescue of estranged Jain couples who were denied divorce by an Indore family court on the grounds that Jains can't get relief under the Hindu Marriage Act, the Indore bench of the High Court has now set aside the family court order and has allowed these couples to get divorces through mutual consent. The High Court ruled that the trial court has made a grave error and concluded that the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 did not apply to the Jain community. As many as 28 couples had reportedly approached the MP High Court in Indore after the family court had passed identical orders denying them relief in a single day on February 8th. While staying the family court order, the High Court also observed that though the 1992 Minorities Act notified the Jain community as a minority along with other notified communities such as Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Buddhists, and Parsis, Article 25 of the Constitution integrates Sikhs, Jains, and Buddhists with Hindus for the applicability of the Hindu Marriage Act. We're crossing over to my colleague Govind to bring us more on this. Govind, can you explain the significance of what's been said here?
Yeah, absolutely. You know that it was completely harassing, and Mirror on Priority run this story in which we show, in fact, told the grievance of these couples who were with consent to take the divorce from each other, but family court in Indore denied by saying that you are not in the provision of Hindu Marriage Act, so this court is not supposed to take decision on it. And after that, these multiple couples, such in fact similar multiple couples, moved to the High Court Indore bench. In fact, and now yesterday Indore bench in fact gave the decision in favor of Jain community that yes, they also come in the provision of Hindu Marriage Act. So their in fact hearing will be accepted in High Court too. So that is somewhat the big relief to the minority community, in fact, which was had in fact having harassment from the decision of family court. So now definitely, as we also run this story, and now we also just after that story's reaction coming out that the High Court has given in fact permission to these minority community to file their cases of divorce in courts. In fact, so this is what the information is coming from Indore High Court, where Indore High Court gave the decision in favor of these minority communities who are having the cases of divorce.